more than 2300 years ago in the ancient land of India. A child was born in Taxila, a powerful mind destined to change history. His name was Chanakya, also known as Kautilya or Vishnugupta. Born into a Brahmin family, Chanakya showed signs of brilliance from a very young age. He studied at the great university of Takshashila, where he mastered subjects like economics, politics, warfare, and philosophy. During this time, Dhanananda, the last king of the powerful Nanda dynasty, ruled Magadha, but the Nanda Empire was known more for its arrogance and corruption than its greatness. When Chanakya approached Dhanananda seeking support for a united India, he was insulted and humiliated in court. That movement changed history. Chanakya took an oath he would destroy the Nanda dynasty and install a ruler who truly deserved the throne. Chanakya began his search for a future emperor, and one day he found a brave and intelligent boy, Chandragupta Maurya. Chanakya saw the spark of leadership in him and decided to train him. Years of guidance, strategy, and preparation followed. Together, Chanakya and Chandragupta raised an army, built alliances, and waged a campaign against the Nanda Empire. After a series of betrayals and brilliant political moves, the impossible happened. The mighty Nanda dynasty fell. Chandragupta Maurya became the first empire of the Mauryan Empire, and Chanakya became his chief advisor. It was the beginning of one of the greatest empires in India history, and it was all thanks to Chanakya vision. Chanakya did not just stop there. He authored the Arthashastra, an ancient Indian treatise on statecraft, economics, military strategy, and diplomacy. This book, written over 2000 years ago, is still studied by economics and political leader today. It speaks about politics, taxations, foreign policy, spying, and governance, showing the depth of Chanakya wisdom. Chanakya was more than just a teacher or advisor. He was a revolutionary thinker, a master of strategy, and a true patriot who dreamed of a strong, united India. Even after his death, his ideas lived on, shaping generations of leaders. He proved that knowledge is the greatest power, and that one man with vision and courage can change the course of history. If you found Chanakya story inspiring, give this video a thumbs up. Tell us in the comment which parts of Chanakya journey impressed you the most, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing biography from Indian history.